There is another option to get you on the road. It's a new one. It's called an alcohol interlock device. And that's a piece of machinery that sits in your car and you have to blow into it and show that you have zero alcohol in your breath before the car will start. Now, it has certain uses for different types of people. If you're someone who's had a previous drink drive within 5 years, remember, you cannot get a work license. Zero. But this is an option that you can use. However, you need to wait 3 months before you can use it. So there's a 3-month stand-down period. The benefit, though, is that there's no restrictions on the time or type of driving that you do, which means after that 3 months, you can go 3 o'clock in the morning to work or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, pick the kids up, and do anything you want. The only flip side of that, though, is you have to pay for it. So you usually rent these devices on a week-by-week basis, and it works out to around $1,800 to $2,000 a year. It's a minimum 1 year period that you have to have it in your car, and you can't have any breaches or miss it being calibrated at all, or they'll add an extra 6 months on. Now, if you're not a recidivist, you can use it in one instance, and that's if you blow over 800. So that's if you blow over twice the legal limit. Now, that's someone who's going to be facing a 6-month disqualification. So for someone who wants to use that, then you're saying, well, I could get a limited license for the first 3 months, but it's still going to be a problem for me, and I'd rather pay for a year of driving with this just to keep me on the road. So it's one of those things that's it's not a decision you want to take lightly, but if you're someone who's eligible and you think that sounds like you, feel free to get in touch with me, and we can have a look at the options on there and see whether it's something we should pursue. Drop me an email, give me a phone call, we'll have a talk about it.